Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you that how to fix can't change country or region in your iPhone or iPad. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device, and when you try to change country or region, or you will see that country and region can't be changed in your app store. So guys, in this video I will show you how can you fix this. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back, scroll it down, click on general, check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And now guys, you need to go back, scroll it below, disconnect your VPN if connected, and after this go back, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings. And after this go back, and now guys, you have to open iCloud here, click on subscription, and guys, you need to remove all the subscription if you have purchases. And now you need to go back, click on sign in and security, click on change password. Here you need to put your iPhone passcode, and from here you need to change your password. And guys, after this you need to go back. Now click on media and purchases, click on view account, and from here you can easily change your country and region without any error. So guys, as you will see, so guys, this is the way to change your country and region without any error. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.